Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Akuzum Anikwe and I'm super excited. Hubby and I are going for a date night. We're going to downtown Dallas. You know what? I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup, a little something. Do y'all like this quality? Alright, so I've already washed and cleansed my face, and I've already put my moisturizer and all that good jazz, my 10 steps. So first I'm gonna go in with my barrier spray. Got this from Amazon years ago. It's literally on its last legs. Next I'm going to be using my Milk Hydro Primer. Can we talk about cancel culture? Right now, Lizzo is being canceled. And I love me some Yitty, so I'm really annoyed. I don't know. They're alleging she said some things. I'm gonna wait. I'm the type of person that likes to wait till all of the information comes out and then form my own opinion. Alright, next I'm gonna take Old Faithful. If you know, you know. Like, this was the holy grail. Literally everyone's favorite product. I'm gonna press this into my face. I look like a freaking ghost. Like, I look like one of them aunties from like the 90s that just overly powdered her face. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. After I do my eyebrows, you guys should already know what I do after my eyebrows. Can you guess? If you did not say eyeshadow, are you a true subscriber? Like, you should know the steps. My steps have not changed at all. I just have different products. I'm gonna take $4.95 and I'm gonna put on my eyebrows. Now, the eyeshadow I'm gonna be using already picks up pigment without this. Because I do want it to be kind of vibrant, I'm gonna go ahead and put eyeshadow base. Well, technically concealer as an eyeshadow base. And we're just gonna make it do. I'm gonna take this brush. I got it off Temu. What's the difference? There isn't one. Okay, y'all need to get up close and personal. I feel like y'all so far. Alright, for the lashes, I always cut that little tip at the end of my lashes because you don't want that on your eyes. It's gonna be bothering your eyes all day if you do not cut that tip. The lash glue I'm going to be using is Duo, and this is the dark strip lash adhesive. And you all should already know this trick. Take the lash glue, put it on your strip lash and on your eyelid, okay? I need security. How long these lashes are. So next I am moving on to my foundation. Yeah. Two things for contour. The first one is I'm going to use my Fenty stick in Espresso. Then I'm going to take my Black Radiance powder, pressed powder in color Black Coffee. And I'm going to use this brush. It's a Sephora Pro Bronzer brush, but I'm going to use it to, you know, zhuzh my contour. Alright, now I am done, so I am going to take my Charlotte Tilbury. Next, my Milk setting spray. And then lastly, Makeup Revolution. Alright, so now that I'm done spraying all I need to spray, I am gonna put mascara on my bottom lash. Alright, last thing last is, so Alyssa Ashley, she had a collaboration with MAC, and I'm gonna try and recreate what she said she used. And apparently it's supposed to fit all skin tones, so I'm excited. Antique Velvet is gonna be my liner. Then I'm gonna take Fast Play and put it in the middle. Ooh, Fast Play is pretty. That already looks so good. And the last thing is the MAC lip gloss in Love Child. Oh, there's some glitter in there. That looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Am I the only one that when I get braids, I'm not really trying to do my edges? I'ma just brush them. I got like little beady beads. Alright, so I am gonna do my edges. I feel like that just kind of completes the look. So I'm gonna use Got2b in this black and my little edge brush. All right, so that's what they look like. All right, so I'm just gonna let that bake so my edges can be late. Okay, and this is the final look. What do y'all think? I love it.